The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, John Cena!
No doubt about it, the absolute greatest of all time.
And nobody has been on top longer, and nobody has changed the game more.
You can't debate Cena's achievements, but you have to wonder, has Hollywood softened Big Match John? The Great One is here!
The biggest crossover star in sports entertainment history.
I can barely hear myself think. The most electrifying man in all of entertainment just blew the roof off this arena.
And his opponent from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, The Rock!
The People's Champion, and perhaps no one in the history of WWE has come to the ring with such confidence as the Brahma Bull. The trailblazing, eyebrow-raising Brahma Bull conquered WWE and went on to conquer Hollywood. Some would argue he laid the groundwork for the success that John Cena would obtain. A third-generation superstar who honors his family starting all the way at the top with the High Chief, Peter Maivia.
Without a doubt, furthering his family's legacy in sports entertainment and cementing his own spot on the WWE Mount Rushmore.
His greatness transcends eras in WWE history. Powered up in the Iron Paradise, Team Bring It is a lifestyle.
There's always one type of match in the WWE that is wilder than wild when things go extreme and the landscape of the WWE changes in unpredictable ways. It's extreme.
Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them. The Brahma. Bear hug.
Well-placed elbow will get you out of it.
That might be enough. Yes, it is. And it's The Rock with the reversal.
Drop kicked all the way to the floor.
Since its debut in 1993, it's no wonder why Raw has been the preeminent show in sports entertainment.
Monday nights were changed forever after that debut, Cole.
Comes back into the ring.
There it is, the People's Punch.
Oh. Drop kick hits hard, lands harder.
Heads out of the ring. What's next? And that cuts Cena right off. Talk about dismantling your opponent. In this type of match, Byron, how does a superstar combat against the fact that they could fall victim to a vicious and hellacious attack?
Well, the difficult part is once an opponent gets the upper hand, you have to stop the onslaught yourself. There are no rope breaks, no 5 counts.
Yeah, the referee's truly only there to count pinfall attempts and check to see if the combatant submits.
Cena is unable to stop this string of offense.
Yeah, the Great One is dropping bombs on Cena.
Agonizing.
Just mounted with punches and not, oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
Float over into the DDT.
Vicious right forearm.
Here's the trademark intense offense of The Rock.
Cena's perseverance being tested.
Here it comes.
Rock bottom. The Rock got all of it.
Oh, Rock's got his opponent. Steps through, trying to turn him over onto his belly. He finally does. Sharpshooters in. Will they tap? He's in complete control. Opponent has nowhere to go. Could be tap out time.
A normal man would have submitted by now, but not him.
Is there a way out of the sharpshooter?
I think we're seeing it. Great job.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They are not concerned about anyone else's well-being. The great one lines up Cena. There it is. By the People's Champ. Can that keep Cena down?
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
He's got a kendo stick, a weapon we've seen used to great effect time and time again. Guys, they are getting way too close for comfort here.
Yeah, I've seen this before, and it doesn't end well. And that was a precisely measured attack. An uninterrupted surge against Cena here. Here it comes.
Amazingly executed once more. Oh, great. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk. What a mess. Just a good old toss for the leg. Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
Agonizing. Ooh, he caught him right in the face. He's got him scouted.
Rock finally finding a way to slow his opponent's assault down.
But Rock has to keep the pedal at full throttle while he has the opening.
Ooh, lots of potential for injury here at ringside. These superstars better be careful.
The floor, the barricades, our table, none of these things are fun to collide with.
Throw him back in under the ropes.
Look at the power from Cena.
Cena with a face buster. Cena, pendulum face buster.
That's gonna hurt.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
Kick to the midsection, sunset flip.
Looking for the victory. Kick out before the count.
We are this far into the match. Where is this energy coming from?
Does he get him here? Oh, my Lord, how in the world is he still going? How is he still in this match?
By the skin of his teeth.
Belly to belly. Quick thinking by The Rock.
Clothesline. Good grief. I wonder if he can smell what The Rock is cooking. Look at this, just unloading. Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Oh, kick right in the back. The Rock is heading up top.
Up high. Whoa, look out.
Just crashing down with high impact. Uh-oh. About to hit. Bottom.
Rock got it. I think it's over.
The Rock stepping through, looking for sharpshooter. Cena. A tap out. Really no shame in losing that way.
Cena's looking absolutely powerless.
Cena telegraphed that.
Both competitors showing how well they know one another.
Just breaking down the opponent. Fight is so close to our announce table.
Yeah, I'm just going to step aside now. Hey, wait for me! If you want to know what it looks like to be at the top of this industry, pay close attention to your screen right now. Fighting their hearts out. The Rock and Cena are embodying everything great about sports entertainment, and these people know it. Sharp elbow to the gut turns that one around.
Oh my God, a clothesline.
This fight is going down right in front of our faces.
More up close and personal than I'd like to be.
Oh, that might have just broken something.
The Rock, can you smell it?
Cena's just trying to weather the storm.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. The Rock telling his opponent to get their candy, you know what, over here.
Oh, strong impact. They're playing ways. Battling in this area could end in serious harm.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Just one right after the other can't be stopped. And the beating his body has taken has led him into this very dangerous.
Here it comes!
Each one keeps getting more devastating.
What energy in the arena tonight.
Sharp knee.
Gentlemen, in the interest of self-preservation, I may have to excuse myself. Saxton, you hang tight. Let this play out. The Rock letting his opponent know exactly what he thinks of him.
And returning to the ring.
Brought in the hard way.
Here's the cover for the win. He breaks the ref's count before two.
I am shaking my head in disbelief. Oh, Cena has it locked.
Adjustment.
The Rock just got checked in.
Some way they weathered the storm. And here's another glance at these superstars in action.
Here is your winner, John Cena!
John Cena had a date with destiny, and he would not be denied.
The Rock just witnessed the sheer determination and freakish power of John Cena.